Welcome to Kartra Answers Q&A number 5, Kartra Help. How to get help, where to get it. Brought to you by Marketing Funnels Lion. And a quick disclaimer, we don't work for Kartra, but we help you with Kartra. So, question for today is, how can you help me with Kartra? Great question. Let's dive in. So, how can we help you? The best way is to visit our website, you've got that part, fastvanow.com. VA stands for Virtual Assistants. We help you remotely build your funnels and anything that you need help with. Right on the top, you can book a call with us or simply send us an email. But if you scroll down, you have a list of services that we offer, and that's how we can help you. Let's break it down. One of the most popular services is the sales funnel setup. So what's included in the sales funnel setup? Well, typically it starts from integrations. We help you with the payment processor integration. Then we'll build a number of pages for you. And here you have an example of the funnel campaign that we have imported into Kartra. You can find more about that in here. See our funnels right at this link. Typically, the sales funnel setup includes the pages where you can sell your services, but also we include sequences so you can actually follow up with the leads, and we also set up the products for you. The next step is the email campaign sequence. So you have an example of some of the email campaign sequences that we have delivered with the campaign for the female coach. And you have list opt-in sequence and membership. These sequences can be built out from our templates, or you can start from scratch. Product setup and the checkout. You have seen that earlier on. Product setup is simply an integration, and Kartra supports a number of payment processors. You can actually see here what type of integration is that, and if we change that to payment, you have a summary. Authorize.net, Braintree, PayPal, Square, and Stripe are supported. Stripe and PayPal are the most popular in North America, but they are also used around the world. Shopping cart configuration, including the integration. So the integration is a little tricky, especially when it comes to Stripe. You can certainly follow the instructions on your own from the help files, Kartra help files, but if you want us to take care of that, you're welcome to reach out to us. Landing page design and lead generation, lead magnets. There are a number of ways of doing that, and just remember, this is the service we provide. We can either build it for you or just check it if you build it correctly. So the lead pages are part of the pages setup. So a typical opt-in page would be a home page. So let's actually get a code for this page and open it so you can see what is a typical setup for an opt-in page. So an opt-in page will be a form that you build like this. You can accept the GDPR, sign up, and then when you click on OK, you have a thank you page displayed, but then when you look in Kartra, there will be a brand new lead created, properly tagged and added to a list. The sequence, it takes a moment for it to kick in. Next one on the list is a custom domain configuration. So a custom domain is configured in here. Currently, I don't have a custom domain. What does it mean that I don't have a custom domain? Take a look at the pages. You might have seen this earlier on. Well, let's have a look at a different page. So when I get a code or a link, you can see that this currently will display with kartra.com domain. So you actually are a subdomain on a Kartra domain with your Kartra instance. If you wish to change that, well, if I had a custom domain, I could just change this and it will appear in here. But without that, you have to use Kartra's link. Next service that we offer is Google Calendar integration. How does that work in Kartra? So once you integrate your Google Calendar, and you can see it here, is when you use Kartra's calendar, and I don't have one ready here, but you will build it in here, it can be linked to your Google Calendar. So if you have a personal event booked in Google, it will not show as available in Kartra. What about the next one? Let's see. Help desk setup. That's really good. It's one of Kartra's strengths is the fact that you can have a help desk built in. And we have one here for the female coach. And if you get a link to it, here it is. So we have the ticketing system where you can open a new ticket or a phone or a live chat. You have an option to define your departments, and then you can also submit the actual ticket inside of Kartra Help Desk. Next one, importing your leads. This is actually one of the services that we have mastered because it's not easy to import your leads, and unfortunately Kartra often rejects the import of the leads. So it's not that you automatically import them from a CSV file. You do have to have them approved. So Kartra can allow you to market to your list. So the import, you can find it under communications, leads, and then you can add leads. You can create them from scratch by hand, quite time consuming, about 30 to 60 seconds per lead, or you can import a batch of leads, but that requires a little bit of setup to have done correctly. So let's clean up some of these pages and let's look at the next service, GDPR compliance configuration. So we have built an extensive experience in setting it up and also advising you whether you need it or not. Do you know if you need it? Well, if you are in Europe, you do. You do need it. It's mandatory. If you are outside of Europe, you don't need that. And GDPR allows you to market to your leads if you ask them for a specific permission. So if someone buys something from you, it doesn't automatically give you the rights to market to them. Next one is Zapier integration. We built a number of Zaps or Zapiers. Well, it all starts with you requesting a permission from Kartra to integrate Zapier with Kartra. That doesn't do anything yet other than allowing you to do that. So if you go to integrations, scroll all the way to the bottom, you actually have to request activation. So they will validate that request. They don't allow just anyone to be integrated with Zapier. Once it's activated, then you have to go to the Zapier and configure some sort of automation. So we have done a number of Zapier integrations with Shopify, calendar integrations, different shopping carts, or even different memberships. So if you need any help with the service, let us know. Affiliate setup. Now that is also relatively time consuming, and it does have maybe 8 or 10 steps. So affiliate setup, where do you think that affiliate setup is in Kartra? Well, it's kind of in a couple of places. So if you go to products, you have the affiliate setup. I call this the global setting, global setup for affiliates, but then each product also has the affiliate setup as well, because by default, not every product will be added to your affiliates funnel. And affiliates can promote your Kartra product and get a commission based on your configuration. Next one is the Facebook advertising and Facebook pixel configuration. So we have someone on the team that specializes in Facebook advertising. So if you need any assistance with that, please reach out to us. Or if you already have a Facebook expert that is helping you with that, you can just ask us to configure the Facebook pixel inside of Kartra so it works correctly in or with Facebook. So where is it done? Well, you go to Pages, and if you edit any page, which page is any? I guess this one. So once you have the page open, somewhere in here, and it's under the settings, you have the tracking code section. And we can assist you in placing the code in a correct area and also confirm that it's been installed correctly for you as well. Next service, ScheduleOnce or Calendly integration. We have a number of integrations already configured. So let me actually show you one of the typical integration. So if you go to our website, and if you attempt to book a live call, we are actually using Calendly in here. So even though it's a Kartra page, you can see that we have embedded a Calendly widget, as it's called. So if you would like to book a call with us, you're welcome to do that. And what happens is that when you book the call, the lead, your information, will be added to our Kartra through Zapier. So we can help you with embedding external calendars into Kartra, and we can also help you with the Zapier integration. Why do I use Calendly? I use Calendly because I like to integrate that with Zoom. Integration with Zoom automatically generates the Zoom link for the call, and it's something that's important for me because I want to have a unique link for all of my calls. Next one is data migration, very popular service. We have helped a number of users migrate data from ClickFunnels, ActiveCampaign, InfusionSoft, or Keap, or anything else, even from WordPress. Is it manual or automatic? What do you think? Well, unfortunately, it's manual, but we want to save and preserve as much as we can to save you time. So we copy and paste a lot of information rather than retype. So we have a very good track record in migrating not only pages, but also memberships, email sequences, and so forth. Next one is Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, Google SEO, and PPC or pay-per-click. The same person that is helping us with the Facebook advertising is doing our Google SEO and PPC. So we have somebody on the team that can assist you with that. And we can help you in configuration of Google Analytics, and we'll place the Google Tags code appropriately in Kartra. Is that all? No, it's not all. We can do a lot more. We offer you templates that are available. It's much easier for you to just get one of our templates, which you will find under services. And you see we have a number of templates that are available and can save you time. So that's it for now. Let us know if you have any questions, and we'll be happy to help you as always. Please visit our website for more information, www.fastva.now.com. Subscribe to our channel, it helps a lot, and it was great presenting you with this content. If you would like to join our Patreon community and have access to live Q&A calls, please visit this link, and you can also find this in the description. Thank you. That's it. See you in the next video.